Now the whole thing's gonna fall on your head.
Roof lining out.
Nice.
Nice.
Another day back working on Daisy. Last time we took out the seats and the floor and the carpet and everything, and this time we're going to try and get the roof lining out, but it's held in by a whole bunch of screws and clips and stuff. When I've taken stuff apart in the Patrol, I've always managed to snap a clip or two, so hopefully with this tool you won't snap anything. We'll see how good it is. Oh, you can probably get that off another 6.
Hey, that one didn't rip.
I ripped on the outside there, the only place it matters. Unbroken clip. Maybe it just takes a bit of practice.
First try. Not that one though.
Number 2. Let's go for those screws. Huh. How satisfying is it seeing them come out?
Up where? That is dangerous. We've taken most of the screws out of the lining as well as a couple clips. And now I've unscrewed these, but just pull the seat belts out. And I think we should be able to take the roof lining out now. Should we give it a go? Or have we got to do door seals first?
Door seals.
Oh, okay. Well, look how the car used to be white and not actually red from red dirt.
So maybe if you want to go outside to do this, could you just kind of like let up your shoulder?
Well, I've done it now.
Alright.
It's a bit of a tricky one here because there's actually a big tree in the way.
Try not to break it. What's wrong? What are you looking for? Oh, there was a stick. Alright. How are we going there? Coming off easily?
Yep. Nice and easy.
Nice.
We just have to remember which one's which.
Use your muscles.
This is why you snap so many things on the car and I don't. I use my brain and precision.
And you look pathetic.
Oh.
It's alright, it's got to come off.
The roof lining is finally ready to come out. Last piece of stripping the car. Let's go.
What? The whole dash is in.
Can you take over? We were not quite ready.
The window's only held in with Sikaflex, so with a bit of cutting and levering and only minor damage to the inside of the car, hopefully it'll just come out. Yeah, it might need some reconditioning. And there's a nice spot of rust there, which looks like it's on the window side, not the body side.
So we've taken out a window, we've taken out all of the screws, the seat belts, everything. Thought we'd just be able to rip down the roof lining, but it's a bit more complicated than that, it turns out. Yeah, I know, I'm dirty. I don't think you helped it. But yeah, I got to crack on, you know, there's always more challenges. Take 20 of we think it's ready to come out.
Go on then.
Alright, so the roof lining is out and now in between us and any potential rust is just the insulation. So let's get it down and have a look.
I wonder if all this insulation is GXL spec.
It's not asbestos.
Who knows, mate? That's why I've got a mask on. It doesn't look like it though. It doesn't seem flaky or powdery. It just seems like wool. Look, it's like all really nice new paint. Well, if we're just looking for rust, it seems pretty rust free.
Yeah, it's just the gutters that we're not sure about yet.
Yeah. And there's a bit of rust showing through those gutters which can be investigated. But we can investigate that from the outside. In the light of day with the roof lining down, we've got a whole bunch of nice little rust spots in the roof there. So that's awesome. Well, we might have to lift at least the front of the roof off, see how bad that is underneath there.
What, angle grind it back?
Yeah.
Last step to get the roof lining fully out is to remove the windshield.
Let's take this bit out. We may need a new chrome surround. Pulling out this centre bit of plastic that the chrome sits on, so we can cut away the rubber that goes around the windshield, and we should just be able to lift it out nicely. Then we can take out the roof lining and pressure wash the whole car inside and out. It'll be good to figure out if there's any rust down here, because that's a common spot, and up there doesn't look amazing because it's starting to show through the roof. So we got these things which are for panel beating suction cups. We figure we'll just put them on the glass and should be able to lift it straight up out. That is if it doesn't fall apart because of all the cracks over there. Hey! Uh-oh. Oh no. Perfect. Good news is the seal's not rusty. Even better news.
Ah, cigarette.
Free dart. How good's that? Look, it's still dry.
Ew, don't put that in your mouth.
Why?
It's disgusting.
Oh, now I'm a real 60 series driver.
Right. Now that the windshield's out, we can finally take the rest of the roof lining out. And it should all pop nicely out. Well, apart from that. Rearview mirror, forgot about that.
Now the whole thing's gonna fall on your head.
Roof lining out.
Nice.